Hey guys, I'm your host today, aka Jan. Today, I'm gonna show you how I made a WWE style table using cardboard. Shall we? And the required materials are a scissor, a cello tab, a black tab or insulation as an alternative, a parcel tab, a cutter, a scale, and a pack of toothpicks. All of these are easily available at home, which make this build cheap and easy. And of course, you also need one big piece of smooth cardboard, and that's it. And this is my first custom table. The legs were made from trading cards so they couldn't bend inward, but strong enough to hold it. Today we are upgrading it to a more realistic version. Firstly, we are making tape legs. Take two toothpicks and place them opposite each other, tap them together firmly using small pieces of cello tape to stay strong. Make two sets like this. You can put more toothpick if you want. Now take another pair, break off the sharp tip evenly and tape them together too. And there we go. Now you have three strong leg supports. Join them together to form an H or an I shape, whatever works best for you. Repeat the same process because you'll need two legs to keep the table from falling apart. Now wrap the legs using black insulation tab, or I'm using a big sticker to save time. Now the table legs are ready. If you're wondering how I tapped them, this is how I made it. While it takes a few time, you can do it while watching a TV or any series you like. Now let's build the wooden part of the table, the cardboard top. This piece is too big, so let's keep it realistic. Using a scale, measure 9 cm by 18 cm and mark a neat rectangle. And place the cutter along the marks and carefully cut it out with the scissor. And just like that, the tabletop is ready. But don't forget to attach the legs. Place them proportional on both sides. You can measure if you want, but remember whatever you do on one side, repeat in the other side also, or the table will collapse. Tape the legs in a way that allows them to fold inward like a real WWE table. Add insulation tab over the cello tab for extra protection, and feel free to add as much of tape you want. It's your build. Oh, and look at that, it's standing on one leg now. The table is almost ready, with the foldable legs and the cardboard top. And now let's test if the legs are strong enough. I placed my custom Mjolnir on, which I made years ago. It's still in the channel if you want to check it out. And obviously it didn't break, but if you want to make it breakable, take a cutter and lightly drag it across the center of the table. Don't cut it fully. This creates a weak spot so it bends inward, not outward. I'm a big fan of small details, so let's give this table a proper finish. I'll add a small extra support using two toothpicks. Using similar methods, it also adds a pinch of realism to it. This helps the table stay in shape for a long time until we break it with a little impact, just like a real wrestling table. Now the real table also has black on the inside, so I covered it with the black tape. Now mind it, this tab is optional. If you don't want to do it, just stop here. I'll also add a brown parcel tab. You don't have to do this, but if you love small details like me, go for it. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. And this was my first custom table. It was breakable, but the legs couldn't fold inward, and honestly, it looked pretty cheap. And now, let me present you the latest version of my wrestling table, made with similar methods, but with small extra changes, which made a huge difference by the way. And of course, I could make it even more realistic if I wanted to, but I didn't want to overcomplicate things for my DIY viewers, so I decided to stop here. Now that our table is ready, let's test its breaking point using some methods, shall we? Now first and foremost, I'm gonna test by using my custom Mjolnir on the older one first. Then the second version that I made. Nice. And now the moment we all been waiting for. 3, 2, 1, go. And boom! I like the sound of that. And did you like it though? And for the main one, let's try this on some figures. After all, we made this for them, right? Now relax and watch some table spots. Bar bomb. Attitude adjustment. Thank you, Cena. Superplex. Corner spear. Let's see if it handles a swan bomb from a ladder. I've stacked up the tables on top of them, and let's see if Roman Reigns go through all of the tables with a super AA from the top of the ladder. There's only one way to find out. Now that's a table spot. And that's it. We now have 3 tables, but only one is foldable and the closest to a real WWE table. I made a lot of custom DIYs over the years. You can always check them out in my custom DIY playlist. And until next time, thank you for spending your valuable time for my channel. Peace.